Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So, on the Euro dollar monthly, it does still look to me like this is going to form an uptrend. I still think it's very, very likely it's going to make like a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, most likely go up and take out these highs. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where I still think that this first push up right here is a wave 1. I think even though this is a higher high right here, that this is an A, B, C, most likely an ABC of 2. We did turn pretty nicely at the 38%. I do think there is a possibility this could already have ended a wave 3, and we are in the very early stages of the beginning of a new uptrend for the wave 3, eventually make a wave 4 and a wave 5 like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame, I still have it labeled as an ABC correction, even though I think there is a chance this is the end of an ABC of 2. Now, even if it does turn out to be a correction to this move down right here, then I think it would at least go up to one of these higher fib levels, maybe end up looking something like that, and then pushing down with a break of structure. But I think there is a chance this is the end of a wave 2, and if it is the end of a wave 2, then yes, it will bounce off some fib levels, but instead of making an ABC, it will make a 1, 2, 3, and continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I am definitely very bullish on this. It does to me kind of look like 1, 2, 3 ways down to a Fibonacci level already. Now we do have CPI news coming out tomorrow, which I kind of have doubts that this is going to turn up in a big way prior to that news. I think there actually is a chance that it may go down even one more time, maybe even all the way to the 50, and prior to tomorrow's CPI news, before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, this move up right here, even though it does have a break of structure and it is going up, it really looks very, very corrective to me. It looks more like it's forming an A, B, C shape. So for me, if it turns down, breaks structure to the downside, I would actually take that as a short, and potentially it would go down probably prior to tomorrow's news, and then tomorrow's news I think would cause it to keep on going up. But for me, I would have to see it go down, and I would have to see it break structure to go short, because it does look like this is the end of an ABC, and even though it's very corrective to start with, it very easily could just keep on drifting up, making higher highs, higher lows. So I am not going to be trying to go short unless I see a nice clear break of structure to the downside, but instead I'm going to keep on trying to go long at the end of every pullback as long as it continues to make higher highs and higher lows. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.